Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get free coins on Webtoon. Let's begin. So first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to the Webtoon website. Here on the top side of the website, you are going to select Canvas. So from here, there's going to be a huge list of Canvas series that you can read from. Now, in order to get coins, you're going to have to read at least 30 Canvas series every Sunday in order to receive coins. So you can select any one that you want to watch. So 30 Canvas tunes every Sunday and you should get coins. However, if you want the easier method, you're simply going to go to your account, go to the top right corner, then select your profile icon, and then head over to creators. Then head over to account. Scroll down until you see a section which says redeem free coins. Here it says, please select the button on the right to enter your promotion code. So if you have a promotion code that you've gotten from Webtoon, then you can simply enter it to get free coins. Now, the last method would be to simply follow Webtoons on their Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube, because there will be cases where they're going to give out free promo codes and coupons in which you can enter here to get free coins. So just be on the lookout for that. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.